Hey everyone, welcome. You're watching Velour. Today I'll show how to defeat all three mechanical bosses in Terraria. First, we need to kill the Wall of Flesh. It's found in the underworld. I'll head down there and be right back. Next, we need a demon with a guide voodoo doll. I'll return once I find one. Alright, found it. Now we need to kill it. We'll throw this doll. Actually, let's grab the Hellforge first. Throw the doll in lava to summon the Wall of Flesh. The guide dies and the wall appears. Then we need to defeat it. It drops the pawn hammer. Here it is. Now let's go to the corruption and smash altars for ore. After breaking altars, we'll mine 3 types of ore. Starting with cobalt. Make bars and a drill to mine the next ore. Next ore in my world is pink orichalcum. We'll make a drill and anvil from it too. We'll also need souls of darkness and light. Dark souls drop in blood or dark worlds, light souls in paradise. We need 9 of each when killing mobs. Light souls drop from these mobs. Make orichalcum ore, anvil, and drill. Next, craft an adamantite or titanium furnace. Upgrade our hellforge to an adamantite one. Melt adamantite and make an adamantite drill. Now for the armor. We need rotten flesh or vertebrae. Here's 10 of them. Next, 5 lenses from wandering eyes. That's the first craft. Yes, now I'm going for light spheres. Second craft, 3 lenses, 5 iron or lead, and 6. Let's continue. Next, head to Skeletron's dungeon for bones. Kill skeletons and farm bones in the dungeon. About 30 to 50 pieces. There. After farming 30 bones, we have 3 summons for night use. That's all. This was Velour. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Good luck and goodbye.